So that's how you do that. Welcome everyone back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a quick little video. As you can see, we have our tractor right here, and our tire is off the rim of our tractor. So what happened was our valve stem for our tire broke and released all the air, so we have to replace. So our tractor tire's valve stem is broken right there. So that's why our tire lost air pressure. That's why it came off the rim. So first thing we have to do is we have to replace the valve stem. Then we're going to show you a quick way in order to put your tire back on your rim and then air it up. So this is our new valve stem. It has to go in behind the rim and you have to pull it through. So here's where the valve stem goes. This little hole, Tristan's going to push this tire back and I'm going to feed it through the back end. It's going to stop right here at this little stopper. Our old one snapped right here. So let's do that real quick. He's going to push the tire for me. I'm going to try not to crush my fingers. And I'm just going to push it in. Alright. Now he's going to take a pair of channel locks and hopefully not snap the... There we go. So valve stem's still intact. It's in it. That little gasket's stopping it. So now we're going to pick the front end of the tractor up using our bucket. And then we're going to yeah, our plastic bucket. And then we're going to show you how to seat the tire back onto the rim. So he's just going to go ahead and pick up the front end of the tractor. It's much quicker than jack stands and a what's that thing called? Jack. A jack? I can't remember what it's called. So caution. Be careful when you do this. It might blow up on you, but the quick thing to do is always have your air compressor nearby so you don't lose your seal. So let me put our actually here, Tristan, you do it. He's gonna put the, yeah, whatever the thing's called, I can't think of what it's called. Yep, this thing onto there. Make sure that it's over the, there we go. So the tire's almost on it. It's not seated, it's on the stem. Okay. There we go. So, yep. Well, yeah, it'll pop. So Tristan's going to go ahead and take some brake cleaner. He's going to spray it on the inside of here. Maybe. And what's going to happen is we're going to ignite it. It's going to explode like this and fill up the tire and seat itself on the inside of the rim. So it's just gassing off right now. This is a quick way to do it. So maybe. So this is take two actually, because our first one, this brake cleaner, is non-flammable. It says right there, non-flammable. So instead we're going to use some engine starter, or it's basically ether. So we're going to spray it in here again. He's going to go ahead, spray it in there. On that side. And this gases off a lot, so that's the thing that's going to do it. So that's how you do that. Nice. Oh, it is. Might have too much air pressure. Nice and seated. So now we're about to hit it up with some air. Maybe.
Yeah, no, it's loose.
Okay.
Go ahead and...
So we'll go ahead and hit it with some air. Maybe. So we just got our compressor over there. because it lost all its air pressure. I'm gonna let it charge up a little bit and then fill up that tire, drive it around, check it out. We should be good to go, back in business. But yeah, once again, it's sealed now, so it'll be able to take air pressure. We got our new stem in. Yeah, worked very well. But this is the second time that we've had to do that. The first time we were loading the tractor to go get our rear remote and our third